हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं गेट 2024 डेटा साइंस एंड एआई। आज सीरीज का पहला वीडियो है। 1 to 10 तक एक्चुअली नॉर्मल रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चन, इसलिए 11 से एआई का पार्ट स्टार्ट होता है। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट: द मीन एंड वेरिएंस ऑफ अ पॉइसन रैंडम वेरिएबल आर इक्वल एंड द स्टैंडर्ड नॉर्मल रैंडम वेरिएबल फॉर स्टैंडर्ड नॉर्मल रैंडम वेरिएबल मीन इज 0 एंड द वेरिएंस इज 1। अब इसमें से कौन सा सही है, कौन सा गलत है? सो स्टेटमेंट 1 तो भैया ट्रू है, पॉइसन रैंडम वेरिएबल है, सो द मीन एंड वेरिएंस आर बोथ इक्वल टू द पैरामीटर, इसका हो गया लैम्डा। ठीक है, पॉइसन में हम लोग होते हैं e टू द पावर लैम्डा, लैम्डा टू द पावर x बाई एक्स फैक्टोरियल। तो ये हम लोगों का सही है। दूसरा स्टेटमेंट भी ट्रू है, क्योंकि स्टैंडर्ड नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में अगर हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो स्पेसिफिक केस में अगर लेंगे सो द नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विद द वैल्यू ऑफ मीन हो गया 0 एंड वेरिएंस होता है 1। सो दिस इज ट्रू, बोथ of these statements are true। तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। ठीक है, डायरेक्ट अभी 12 में चलेंगे। थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं। सो द फेयर कॉइन इज टॉस्ड इंडिपेंडेंटली। ठीक है, मतलब दो टॉस के बीच में कोई रिश्ता नहीं है। टी इज an event that two or more tosses result in head. S is the event that two or more results in tails. What is the probability that the event is what is the probability of the event T intersection S हम लोगों को निकालना है। तो T intersection S two and more heads of the two or more tails happening simultaneously, तो ये तो होगा ही नहीं, तो ये तो zero है directly। each coin is tossed independently, so the intersection of these two is happening together is zero. So therefore if two or more tosses of heads and the remaining tosses are also of the tail, so this is not dependent on each other, so the intersection is not going to happen. With rest of 0.5, 0.25, 0.1, it is irrelevant. Next 13 में चलेंगे। Consider m 2 minus 1 3 minus 1, what kind of thing is this? So इसमें अगर हम लोग आइगन वैल्यू के हिसाब से जाएंगे, डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ m माइनस लैम्डा i इक्वल टू 0 लेना है। So given that m equal to this thing, so 2 minus lambda, 3 minus 1 और 1 minus lambda, ये हम लोग इसको 0 कर देंगे। this 2 minus lambda and 1 minus lambda minus 3 plus 3। ठीक है, so expanding this thing lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 3 sorry plus 5 हो जाएगा ये। ठीक है, find the eigenvalue, so lambda equal to यहाँ minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac root over minus 11 by 2। So since the discriminant is negative, so the eigenvalues are complex, so the option is B। ठीक है, so चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ, 14 नंबर की तरफ बढ़ेंगे। कंसिडर परफॉर्मिंग द depth first search on an undirected and unweighted group, a graph G starting with the vertex S for the following vertex U with the G du is the length and the shortest path of the S is U, so UV and the edge of this thing, so the edge of UV expression of the direction of the DFS, so DFS and the edge types, so tree edge पहले निकालना पड़ेगा। So what is the tree edge? Tree edge is the edge connecting the previous visited vertex to a newly visited vertex, previous to newly visited vertex during the DFS। Okay, so the cross edge क्या है? Cross edge is connecting the two previously visited verticals। What is the back edge? Back edge is the edge connecting the vertex of an ancestor, and the gray edge is nothing but an edge leading to an undiscovered vertex। Okay, so not yet explored in the DFS। So the condition of the edge direction is the condition states that d of u is less than d of v। So in this case, meaning vertex u is closer to the starting vertex S than the vertex v। So since the edge is explored first, direction to u and v, so this implies that v is being discovered for the first time through u। ठीक है, so the matching the definition is, so the discovery of the process of the tree edge which is previously visited vertex as well। ठीक है, so as a result of that, so the conclusion we can go for with the given condition that the edge becomes a tree edge during DFS। So edge becomes a tree edge during the DFS, so this is like the tree। Remember that here another important stuff is the cross edge or the back or gray, this is like, this wouldn't be the case because v is, this wouldn't be the case because v is newly discovered, not previously visited। or back edge, this wouldn't be possible because u has shorter path to the starting vertex than v and preventing the upward correction, and gray edge is this isn't applied to the edge and explode, and v is no longer discovered. Okay, so this is the stuff. Okay, next, moving forward to question number 15, is that for any twice differentiable function f of r2r, this is the thing, and the function is necessarily has a dash, local maximum, global maximum, this you need to go. So if it is f of dash x star equal to 0, f double x star is greater than 0, this implies that x equal to x prime, and f is a critical point where the derivatives are 0 and the second derivative is positive. So when the second derivative is positive at a critical point, it indicates that the function is concave up. Okay? Which means that the curving towards at each point. So as a result, x equal to x star, so the correct option is local minimum.